Many think refurbished means outdated junk. But most refurbished devices are newer models, often returned or barely used. Another myth, that refurbished devices don't last. At Exacttek, every laptop, tablet and Mac is tested, repaired and certified for performance. People also assume there's no warranty, so it's risky. The truth? Exacttek backs your purchase with warranty and dedicated support. And finally, some say the savings aren't worth it, but you can save up to 60% compared to buying new, without compromising quality. Shop smart, save big. Exacttek.com